Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome to Cheesecake Stream. It's wonderful to see you all here today. Good job being first, Steampunk. Good job being actually second, Snail. Welcome in. Ooh, 3 stream streak. Let's go. You've been here for every stream that I've had since my return. Let's go, Steampunk. Hi, Q. I have coffee, and that means I'm winning. You're always a winner in my heart, Q. I could not get a single Prismatic Evolutions anything, or either of my parents. I just want a binder and maybe a Badoo or Goldeen or Sea King. Man, that Badoo, that's gonna be... People are scared of that card for the game. People are thinking that card's gonna be a real terror. And I think they're right. No energy item lock? Woof! That's crazy. Anyway, let's get started. Ta-da! I have my little Pokemon TCG pen and small shockwave for good luck. I made sure that this was set aside at the store I used to work at. I was like, can you guys set this aside for me, please? I would have gotten an ETB as well, but they were 1 per person and I was already reserving an ETB for a friend. So they were all, like, all the pre-orders were sold out. So that's crazy. I was considering, like, sweet, Leafeon's my favorite, so I'll keep this sealed. But, like, I don't know if you can tell that the packaging is kind of horrible. Like, it's kind of dinged up. Why did they do that? Yes, I got the Leafeon. I made sure that they would set this aside for me. I'm very, very happy. Maybe there's something. Maybe there's something in here. Before we start, let's look through TCG Player and see what's hot in this set. I know the prices are crazy right now. I'm almost hesitant to open this because here, let's zoom. We'll go product type. Just the cards. I'm almost hesitant to open this because this sealed this thing is on the secondhand market going for like 50 bucks and I got it for 15. Eee! Scary. Let's look. Here, let's just so that we can... It's not working. That's fine. This is the card that I really want from this set. This Leafeon. Because of course I do. It's so, so beautiful. 1K for a Pokemon Center ETB, yeah. Hey look, there's my tattoo. Ding 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 ding. Look at these little, they look like little Queen Anne's lace flowers, maybe. And there's grapevines. And it's so sparkly and pretty. There's that beautiful gem pattern in the background. This is my, my chase card for this set. Absolutely. Unfortunately, you can't really see it on the edge here. Oh, yeah. It's running up to $500. And sure, it is day one of the set being out, and there's so much hyper on the set that it's like, ugh. But that Leafeon's a chase card. If I get this Umbreon EX, I'm going to be happy and comfortable for a little while. I will have no monetary struggles for a little while. Oh yeah, Art Nouveau, absolutely. That's another thing I love about it. Yeah, this one is going for 1,600. Woo! Goodness. There's a copy selling for 2,000 or available for 2,000. I don't know if any have set yet. So yeah. One sold for 2,000. So it could put me in a much nicer financial position if I got this Umbreon. I'm gonna be honest, I would not keep it. I would sell it. I would be torn on selling the Sylveon, but $700? You kidding me? It's so cute though. I would put aside some of this $700 to buy another copy when it... Are we back? Is it back? Cheese crew, call off if you're here. If you see the cheese chat, say aye. Hey, we're back. Hi, Steampunk. Yeah, that's fine, Ian. Do it whenever. I'll look at it in the Discord. Hey, look at you, you're first. Yeah, I don't know what's been up with the internet. No fun. We're back. We're super back. Okay. Hi, Fang! Howdy! If you ain't just the coolest goat cat in the chat right now, goat cat, you're like a serval or something and a goat. Sure, enjoy your lurk, Ann. It's good to have you. I was just realizing that I have to rotate this fella. Banana rotate. Owls in their ridiculous splayed claws. Woo, I don't know what happened to my voice there. We want to do this. There we go. Oh, we're back. I wish there wasn't so much trouble getting with the internet, but there's really not much I can do about it. But we're back. By the way, if any of you are subbed, if there's, you know, lurkers or anybody who's subbed and you're here with us, if you want to join the sub flock, it's this month's, this season's sub club. Then, ooh, hi, no shinies. Welcome in. Head over into the Discord. And go into the monthlies only channel. And you got it, right? Post your character reference. My Discord keeps... Ooh! Thank you! I appreciate it, no shinies! Nice to meet you. Yippee! Sweet! Yeah, oh, this is Snail still. Just wanted to give you a large amount of money. That's so large. Everyone did a little hop. Yeah, that's what happens when there's a bit donation. Wow, that's so much large amount of money. Hey, excellent. Dance, 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 dance. Jump. The rest of my bits, actually. I gotta set up some sort of bits thing, like maybe we could bring back sound alerts or something. You remember long ago how I had a bunch of different bird calls that you could play on the stream with a stream sound thing? I was planning on giving you 297 bits, but oh well. Well, I appreciate it anyway. I'll try not to spend these 8 cents in one place. Yeah, you remember? It was so long ago. We'll scooch him down just a touch. And then give him this wing. We'll give him a little headband too. Jeez, hi Aid, welcome in! Buy yourself a single common Pokemon card that sees no play in Obsidian Flames. Let's check. Or a small house, a very, very small house. Here, let's pick Obsidian Flames. Oh no, it was long ago enough that it's not in the latest English sets. Let's see. Trick or Trade, Twilight Masquerade. Oh man, it really was a while ago. Price low to high. Wow. I could get 2 bounce suites and still have money left over. Sub Club Arting, what's the theme this time? We're looking at the sub flock. We're all birds and we're in trees. Isn't that delightful? I don't know what the fairy housing market is like. Well, let's see. 7 bits converts to 7 cents, which converts to like half a copper piece. So I can get a oh, we got hydrate. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Jack. Like 2 carrots. Which actually 2 carrots will feed a fairy for a long time, so thank you. We birdies! Yo, 2 carrots, let's go! Actual carrots. Baby carrots are also actual carrots. Yeah, I'd say a small bundle of carrots, 4 carrots for a copper piece, I'd say that's reasonable. Okay. I've got a vision for the colors. Oops. Go back and select this part because I forgot. Color in with... We'll go with like his shirt color. A little darker, a little brighter, a little bluer. A little more muted. Sweet. And it's done. Just kidding. The Badoo is actually insane? Yeah. I am a little concerned about what that Badoo is going to mean for the meta. Oh, let's color this part too, because that's his... Right. His wing. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna stream... I don't know what's up with my voice today. You guys, like, hear my voice breaking now and then? Tomorrow we're gonna stream Magician's Quest. It's a video game, a DS game that's kind of like, Here, let me pick this color. Streaming is hard. You gotta talk and think at the same time. What the heck? I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, Magician's Quest. It's a DS game. It's a lot like Animal Crossing, but all of the... Not only is it different in that... Ooh, do we have ads? Did ads just happen? Not only is it a... like... You're going to a magic school. There's a little magic school in your town, and every week you get different lessons that you can pick up different spells that you can cast for just for fun or for quests. There's a new quest every week. And all of the quote-unquote villagers, they're called classmates in this one. They're so interesting. They're so interesting looking. Let me show you. We'll zoom in. There you go. Suppose you can't see their names. There we go. Yeah, is that big enough for you guys? Expand, collapse. Well, who was that person, am I right? Oh yeah, I'm not used to streaming. I'm still getting back into it. Badu is actually insane. Me thinking that would be good with survival brace, but it's probably actually a really bad use of an A spec. Yeah. Who the heck is that no shinies individual? Yeah, look at these critters. They're so different than Animal Crossing characters. Look at her. I was doing a save file of Magician's Quest on my DS for a while. I haven't played it much recently, but yeah, look at these critters. I have Ellis in my town on my DS. Aren't they so neat compared to Animal Crossing characters? Other than the things that I listed, it's very similar to like Animal Crossing Wild World. But it just has so much charm. You guys will have to check it out. This feels like the kind of DS game that you would play and nobody else, and it would be the best game ever. Yeah, it does have that vibe, those vibes. Sparkles. Napoleon. Where's Mooney? There's Mooney. I have her in my town. Her catchphrase is goo goo gaga. And she's just like a baby. Just a baby penguin. Wyatt's cool. I have Troy and... This is my internet. Internet is not being good. How bothersome. So bothersome. How long have I been streaming anyway? Since 3? I've been going 3 hours? That's fine. I'm chilling. Getting a little more stable, I think. The dropped frames are going down. Dusty Garden Galaxy, this is lovely. Okay, so I was thinking we will do... It's a little greener than that. A little brighter than that. Green head. And, oh, I got this color earlier. Let me make it more muted. And then... just like his shoulder pads. Or his shoulder pad and his, armor. Make that a little pinker. And then we'll take brown. Put that here, and also put this on his boots. Well, on his feet. Because they're like his boots. Right? Feet are pretty much boots for people who aren't wearing boots. That's my wisdom for you. Are we back? Is it all good now? Is everything okay? Are we dropping frames? Are we tropical owl? Does it look tropical? Owl. Very tropical. Booty, ayo. It seems like there should be a transformer in these colors. You know what? I'll ask Beanie. Maybe there's a Dane colored transformer. They would know. Do you guys know that I'm super into transformers now? Like, I have like 20 of them. And only about half of them were sent to me from Beanie. What do you think of this little design, Mr. Archer? Yeah, it's something about specifically these two colors. It's like, that's gotta be some combination. And then we take this, blue jeans color and use it for the tail. Why is it over? I don't know, it's fine though. You know what? I'll just erase this bit in general. Oh, I see. That's fine. And then let's do the little gold on his mask. Yeah! Oh, he's looking pretty cool. Nice. The gold really elevated it. Let's make his little toenails gold. Take your time. This is pretty cool, actually. I think I'll take this and oops. Nope. We'll extend it up a little bit. Why is that getting in here? Away with you. Oh yeah, and I wanted this part to be... I think it's a hoot! Oh, you! And then I think we'll do like a darker blue. Oh no, he's got this like purple color. Good job having colors on your design. That's too dark. Still a little too dark. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Cool. The archer owl. Yeah. Welcome to the subflock. I think it's time for another break. Don't you? I mean, I feel like I shouldn't push myself. I've been live for, well, 10 minutes, but actually I've been live for just over 3 hours. It's probably reasonable to take a break every hour and a half, right? Or 3 hours. Do we have anybody else who's here that would like to be part of the subflock? Because I can throw you in right now. Oh yes, we have Aid's Silly Mooscot. Okay, in that case, we will take a little break. I'm gonna eat another granola bar. I'll stretch my body. My back's starting to hurt. I'm starting to shrimp up. Take care of yourselves, my friends. I will be back. I'll leave basketball running again. BRB! I return. Did I scare you? We're back! And I forgot to put my mirroring up. You guys gotta have some kind of weekend plans, right? Is there anything coming up that you're looking forward to? Ooh, you know what we haven't talked about? Switch 2. The successor to the Nintendo Switch, finally officially announced. I knew it would happen pretty soon. Our friend Yeehaw It's Aid. Yeah, it was. They put out like a video. Our friend Yeehaw It's Aid would like us to put his cute little moo-moo, his cute little cow, as this sickle bill thing. I'm going sickle mode. So we're gonna do that. It's me! Got a big collab stream very early tomorrow. Lady Noriko is doing a charity stream with a bunch of her VTuber pals. Wonderful! Sweet! And you're gonna be there. You're gonna be... Excuse me. You're gonna be on the stream. There's a long tail and hints of blue. So I have fallen in love with this bird after 5 minutes. It really has so much tail. My weekend plan is to vibe. Rad. And rejoining them for some Mario Kart and Smash in particular. Wonderful. Let me look up this Lady Noriko so I can follow. Is it just Lady Noriko? I can't find it. Oh, she's on YouTube mostly? I see. Oh, so you will be streaming. Okay. If you guys want to catch that, there's Archer's stream. Go follow. Use this to draw. I love to draw. Drawing is wonderful. Oh, didn't like how Twitch was treating VTubers? Mind if you catch me up? I'm not sure how Twitch treats VTubers. Little moo bill charter cow. I wanna grab the other reference. I wasn't sure at first if I wanted both of the references, and now I think I do. I feel like I'll be back. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Hello, hello? Hello, hello? Hello? Hey, we're back. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna wrap up for the day. We'll get this internet situation sorted out. Ironed out, even. We're gonna get it fixed. Fixed out. And we'll be back tomorrow, hopefully. If, so tomorrow, we'll get more Sub Club done next Friday, because Fridays is gonna be Sub Club Day. And other Sub Art Day. Tomorrow, we're playing Magician's Quest. Oh, hi, Echo! Sorry for leaving right when you show up. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna raid out. Thank you for being patient through all this unfortunate internet situation. But we'll raid out so that we don't have to worry about that anymore for the day. Been lurking? I'm glad. Somehow your presence was felt. even if not formally announced. Let's see. I think... Ooh. Okay. I know who we're gonna read out to. We're gonna read out to another artist. Bye bye, Cheesy. You have already taken to calling me cheesy. I appreciate that. We're gonna read out to another artist. Oh, there's my going live notification again. A bit of a bigger artist. Oh, we'll do slash raid. If you guys know Oceanax, then you know more than me. I've learned who this is literally last night. Looks like she's doing art today. She's a PNG tuber, like a GIF tuber, but it's like a really cool kind of GIF tuber. Like she's one of those GIF tubers that's constantly doing all kinds of different poses and being super animated. And she's got this, yeah, Ocio. She's got this huge like retro anime vibe. Yeah, her model's so cool. I'm looking right now. She's all yellow and purple. I like those colors. So yeah, we're gonna go say hi to Ocio. We'll get our raid things, raid messages going. Go ahead and copy and use that one. If you're not subscribed, throw it in Ocio's chat so we can have a good warm welcome. And then we'll do this one if you are subscribed. Yes, very 90s anime complete with a CRT filter. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live at 3 o'clock. Love yourselves, love each other, love the world. Bye bye!